dual, what do you call it? It's definitely hanging to the right a little bit. I don't know why. It's hopping, still hopping. I think I have the batteries too far forward, Mike. I think the batteries are too far forward.
Are they really?
Yeah.
What's happening?
It's bouncing up level. So I'm thinking it's too much weight in the front. Yeah, too much weight in the front.
See a fast one?
Yeah. Holy cow. You're faster than me. What the hell?
Wow, look at the air on mine. Oh man, you do have to step on the rocks a little bit. Wow, yours jumps out of the air still a lot.
Ready?
Oh!
Oh, get the recovery boat. Get the recovery boat.
Oh.
Let me go get it.
I jumped right over you. Please tell me you were GoProing that.
Yes, I was.
Nah.
Recovery time. Fucking geeks.
What a dick I am. Look at that. I can't do anything right. How long is that?
Oh, yo, give me the little remote.
A minute and a half. This one?
No, actually, no, it's over here.
Oh, this guy?
Yeah. Okay, you want to get it?
Oh, yeah.
Both up. It's on. Oh, no. Uh-oh.
No on-off switch for it.
Oh, tell me I grabbed the wrong one. No.
But how does it go on and off? How does it turn on and off?
It just does. It goes on.
Again, I didn't bring swim shorts.
Oh, tell me I grabbed the wrong remote. Are you kidding me?
You made a whole setup and grabbed the wrong remote.
I grabbed the wrong remote.
I guess I gotta go swimming.
No, I'll just take this off, put it on the other boat. Let me shut this off.